Hi guys, sometimes almost any car owner delays their car maintenance. Lack of time or money, there could be millions of reasons, but today let's focus on 3 critically important things that should be always in excellent condition in your car. And also we will talk how to manage these things. And let's of course start with the tires, as they are your only connection to the road. Only these 4 points, your 4 tires, nothing else touches a road. And that connection to the road differs a lot depending on your tires condition. Just have a look at this picture, it shows contact patch of your tires on the road. And you can see here an extremely high difference depending on the car speed and tires wear. Worn out tires have almost no connection with the road on the speed about 125 km per hour. Almost no connection. On all modern tires you can find a special indicator that shows when your tires are totally worn out and it's time to immediately change them. One more time, immediately change them. Not after a season, not in 2 months. Just right now. But what also really matters regarding tires condition is their age. And if you don't have any strict regulations regarding tires age in your country, then please change them every 5-7 years. You can find a production date of your tires on them. It is a 4-digit number, and the first 2 digits is a week and the second 2 digits is a year. Yes, I know that it is extremely sad to throw away not a worn out tires after 5 or 7 years, but better do it for your safety. As for tires brand, I would always recommend 2 my favorite brands, and they are Michelin and Continental. Or if they are too expensive for you, then probably you just need to choose something from a good European or Japanese brand, not Chinese. By the way guys, if you enjoy this video, please press the like button, it helps channel a lot, and also subscribe for more. Okay, let's move on to the next critically important big thing, which is brakes. Every time you go for a standard maintenance, just ask your mechanic to check brake pads and brake discs condition. And better always go for original parts in your braking system, because it is your safety once again. And if you really trust the workshop, the garage where you service your car, then maybe go for a good alternative. Those alternatives that is not much cheaper than the original one. And always purchase these parts from the trusted place. If you don't know such, go for the agency or check some forums regarding your car and the good garage where you can service it and to find a good parts. Because with brake pads and brake discs, it is extremely easy to buy fake parts. And also one more extremely important thing regarding the braking system is changing brake fluid. You should do it every 2-3 years, because it is absorbing a lot of things in it, water, dirt and all this stuff, and that influences the effectiveness of your braking. If you never did it in your car, schedule it right now. And the third critically important but not obvious thing is wipers. Of course, the same recommendation as with the braking system. Always go for original or a good alternative. And simply change it every time you see a line after flushing your window. You never know when you will face an extremely heavy rain, an extremely bad weather. And that's, one more time, all about your safety. It is especially important in those countries where there is almost no rains, and then you just usually don't know the condition of your wipers. However, they are still critically important, and under the influence of heat and sun, they are wearing out without using them. For example, here in Dubai, I bought 4 used cars, and all of them were with extremely worn out wipers. Because nobody just here. However, there are extremely heavy rains here in Dubai, and you can face them anytime. Just always remember to follow up these 3 important things in your car: wipers, braking system and tires, because they are the main reasons for the accidents because of the car's condition. And please don't try to save money on your and others' safety. Thank you and see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these videos, and I hope you will like them as well.